Right now we are standing outside of my bathroom, which is far too yellow for my taste, so we are gonna do something about that today. That's right, we are doing the first mini makeover here on our YouTube channel, and I'm super excited about it. I'm Carla from Vintage Hip Decor, and I want to make this space a lot brighter and whiter and a lot more in my taste. So there's a lot about this bathroom that I can't change because we are renting. Like, I would love to change the countertops and the vanity and the floors, but none of that is changing today. But I am gonna change the things that I am able to. There are also a lot of like silver chrome details in this bathroom that I really don't like, so we are gonna change those as well. So get a good look at the before, because we are about to rip this room apart just to put it back together, but in a much prettier way. So like this video and let's get started. This room in long sleeve and jeans, but I guess I like torture. I don't know. Whoops. This is not going very well. I need a much smaller screwdriver. That was the problem here. I found the world's literal smallest screwdriver of all time. So I'm gonna use this to take the toilet paper roll off. Yes, worked like a charm. So I have totally dismantled the room. It's looking kind of rough in here, but I think I'm ready to paint. I didn't really tape or plastic anything off. I'm just gonna be cutting in. It's a small space and I don't think I'm gonna make such a huge mess. It is really hot though, so my hair's gonna go up, but let's open this can of paint and show you the color that we're working with. So it's just this really pretty simple white, and I had this manually color matched. I've actually used this color in my bedroom, on my bedroom walls before, so I know I really like it, so I just am using the same color. So I will put the formula for this color down in the description. All right, we are in the messy middle. It does not look great, but it is gonna look really pretty soon. I'm loving the color. I'm definitely gonna have to do a second coat, since you can clearly see my roller didn't do the world's best job. But I'm very excited about the color, like I said. And so we're just waiting for this to dry and I'll do another coat. All right, this is where we're leaving it for the day. 2 coats of paint done, and tomorrow we should be able to finish up with all the other details. So I unfortunately lost some footage of me spray painting some chrome details in this bathroom, a really pretty matte black. So basically I wanted to take my toilet paper roll, my towel bar, and a couple other like random little accessories that were a really chrome silver, and make them all cohesive with the new look and vision that I had for the bathroom. So I spray painted them all, like I said, and they came out really beautiful, and you're gonna see them here just in a second. So it took me a couple days, but everything is fully painted and ready to go back into the bathroom, which is behind me here, and then we're gonna get straight into the big reveal. I am so excited. that is it for this transformation. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, and I would love to hear what you think about it down in the comments. I hope at the very least that this inspired you to show you the power of paint and what it can do to a space if you just paint the walls or maybe spray paint a couple of the details. I really appreciate you being here watching our video, and I hope that this inspired you to see your home in a new light. Oh, also I should know I am going to be listening to so much Taylor Swift while I'm doing this because she just dropped her newest album, Folklore, and I'm going to be blasting it. Even though it's like really not a blasting album, it's like really chill, but I'm so excited. I hope that this showed you what a difference paint can make and what a dramatic difference paint can make. We're going to get started. Right after, like, what are you trying to say? That's a wrap.